Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to go through a step-by-step process for running a speculative prototyping session. You can carry out this activity by yourself. However, carrying it out with a team could yield richer results. Step 1. Identify areas for innovation. Begin by identifying areas within the current UX design where innovation could potentially enhance the user experience. This could include exploring new interaction patterns, integrating emerging technologies, or addressing pain points identified through user research. At the end of this process, you should have come up with a well-defined problem area you would like to address. Step 2. Collect and analyze signals of change for inspiration and insights. Monitor signals of change within the field you have defined the problem you intend to solve. Conduct research to gather inspiration and insights from various sources, such as industry trends, user feedback, competitor analysis, and emerging technologies. This will help you understand current market dynamics and identify opportunities for innovation. Step 3. Brainstorm speculative concepts. Organize brainstorming sessions with cross-functional teams to generate speculative design concepts. Encourage creativity and explore bold ideas that push the boundaries of conventional thinking. Consider how emerging technologies or futuristic scenarios could be applied to solve user problems or enhance the user experience. Step 4. Storyboarding. Once you have generated speculative concepts, create storyboards or user scenarios to visualize how these concepts will be used in real-world scenarios. Storyboards help illustrate the user journey and highlight key interactions and touch points within the speculative design. Step 5. Create prototypes. Use prototyping tools such as Sketch, Figma, or Adobe XD to create interactive prototypes of your speculative design concepts. Focus on creating low-fidelity prototypes initially to quickly iterate on ideas and gather feedback from stakeholders. Step 6. Iterative testing and feedback. Conduct usability testing sessions with target users to gather feedback on the speculative prototypes. Observe how users interact with the prototypes and gather insights into their reactions, preferences, and pain points. Iterate on the prototypes based on feedback received, refining and improving the design concept iteratively. Step 7. Refine and iterate. Continuously refine and iterate on the speculative prototypes based on user feedback and insights gathered from testing sessions. As you progress through the design process, gradually increase the fidelity of the prototypes to incorporate more details and realism into design concepts. Step 8. Document learnings and insights. Document learnings and insights gathered throughout the speculative prototyping process. Capture feedback from users, observations from usability testing sessions, and any key findings or insights that emerge during the design iterations. This documentation will inform future iterations and serve as a valuable reference for the design team. Step 9. Share and collaborate. Share the speculative prototypes and insights with stakeholders across the organization, including product managers, developers, and executives. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to refine the design concept further and align on the vision for the future user experience. Step 10. Plan for implementation. Once you have validated speculative prototypes and gained buy-in from stakeholders, develop a plan for implementing the innovative design concept into the product roadmap. Collaborate closely with development teams to ensure a smooth transition from prototype to production-ready features. By following this step-by-step process, UX designers can leverage speculative prototyping as a powerful tool for innovation, enabling them to explore bold ideas, test futuristic scenarios, and create transformative user experiences that push the boundaries of what's possible.